How you doing? Louie Gamino with Arborist LA. We're here at a project of ours. This is going to be a rainwater harvesting system with a waterfall that is going to help circulate that water so it doesn't stay stagnant. So behind me is the inner beginnings of it. If you notice, below me is a 15 by 15 and 4-foot depth, 48 inches. It's been excavated. We're waiting on materials, a geotextile liner, the eco boxes that are going to be in there to go ahead and contain all that wonderful rainwater. It's going to fall on these roofs. We're going to capture it, and then we're going to store it here at the bottom, where the client is then going to utilize that water to go ahead and irrigate his vegetables, his fruit trees, and any other plantings around the property here. So it's the beginnings of it. Right now it just looks like a big hole and a big pile of dirt, but we're going to start shaping this out here and carving out for our water feature, which is going to have some nice interesting waterfalls coming on down here. So we'll keep doing more videos as the project progresses.